across to Pawan Khera first, because we saw your senior leader from Punjab, Pratap Singh Bajwa, stand in a chair, throw papers in the air in the Rajya Sabha. We also saw the chair say that there can be a discussion on farmers' protests, which your party has been shepherding and pushing and championing, and on price rise. Those were issues, sir, your government could have pinned Amit Malviya's party and government down on, and yet somehow the charge against you tonight is that you were looking to create a political tamasha, looking to create an opportunity to earn political brownie points, that you never really wanted to have a debate, a discussion where you could have pinned the government down. You wanted that there be this big tamasha. How do you respond to that? Pawan Khera, let's start.
Rahul, who decides the issues that need to be discussed in the parliament? Not the government alone. There is a business advisory committee. Now, Rahul, today you have a particular topic on which we are discussing, we are debating. You switch my microphone off. How do you think I'll react? I'll try my best to be heard. That's what has been happening in the parliament with the opposition members. Our microphones are switched off. We are interrupted every time we get up to say something, to raise our voice on a particular issue. Mr. Prahlad Joshi would stand up and interrupt. Other ministers would stand up and interrupt. Now, these tears of Mr. Venkaiah Naidu are tears of helplessness. He can't control the thuggery that's going on from the treasury benches. And I understand his helplessness. We are all feeling helpless. The country is feeling. But having said that, in the last 7 years, I think this was the best session of the parliament where people's issues were raised. The entire country heard, thanks to people like you who raised those issues. You allowed us to raise these issues on your channels. Parliament it serves the people. No, not everybody and opposition and the people will serve the Prime Minister in the Parliament. That doesn't happen.
No, sir, but let's take the issue of farmers' protest and the farm laws.
Sure.
Let's take the issue of price rise. Now, these are serious issues which you could have created an opportunity to push the government back on. And the government was willing to have this discussion. Why did you not allow that to happen? Your mics could have been up and you could have spoken.
Rahul, what was the discussion on farmers' issue on? Did the government agree to exactly what we wanted or the farmers of India wanted them to discuss, which was repealing these 3 black laws? What was this shameful manner in which they tried to divide the opposition, use Mr. Jairam Ramesh's name, other MP's name? They hadn't even asked for that particular discussion. Cheating. This is cheating. For the first time in the history of parliamentary democracy, government of India, government of the day, cheated in the parliament. Misinforming, not giving data is one thing. Cheating the parliament is absolutely something else. This is the first, again, in 70 years. We don't want to discuss what you want us to discuss. If Rahul Gandhi goes on a tractor to the parliament, he raises the issue of farmers across the country. You won't allow that any discussion on farmers' black laws in the parliament. You won't. Pegasus, they won't allow. If the Prime Minister was so serious about all these issues, he would have agreed to discuss Pegasus on day one and be done with that issue. मना कर दीजिए कि नहीं खरीदा Pegasus, खत्म हो जाता issue वहीं. क्यों नहीं किया? So I ask you, the Prime Minister and this government was never serious about any of these issues.